Medwen say baby MPP edu no mo nkrofo nunyam wo manim. Omo nkrofo ana no mo kase to amanfo buso. Omo nkrofo ana na NDC for kra be dia dan say papa wetie. Metimi assign it. Nana MPP for kwotena akire yi. Ore ye omo ye menti Adutwum ho asem. So far me fenka ho sa. Na no ye deputy minister man te say one ne minister koda. Man te say papa ne sika bia fa ne nsa ase da. Na free SHS obi supervisor there are many issues with free SHS. And I'm dream say ubusa ono akra say some issues with free SHS ono abegia to musampa there were issues with free SHS. Entinana eno honom. The link is there, video ni load. So he himself will concede that there are some challenges with free SHS supervisor, but nana generally opeku for the top 5 performing ministers are. Nana me dream say obi be year onfa doctor Osei-Tutu enka ho banana the MPP no okaya nentu mu yi na pone se no mu po bia nana se NDC for to a otimi gina ne na so etu bi Adutwum doesn't have that na Adutwum ameye kasa hyew ontimi nka bi ontimi ntoto ayampia ontimi nka kasantwie nana minister otimi trando so kasa me former minister there na jena na di we do ya de mabona baso and the meantime is how so ne strength ne say na o sa cross capes appeal no and again my catch say o analyze African election religion tribalism baby okwasore baby okom muslim ensan ogu baby ogu no ntimi yin freedom na Adutwum elder with the Pentecost church that is a huge advantage. It's not for nothing MPP omo kopera animate no mobile apostle poku nyina din no. It's not for nothing. Right. There's a reason why an apodum ni bi okọ Makers Chapel okọ wareye bishop or no reverend Michael Boadi Nyameche. The pictures in Aba, it's not for nothing. And an after time now, or yes, I in the lead up to Ebo ni these animate. Why? Because na Ghana for okwaba to asawa ware. O wojere, o woma, o manu suban to say ni nyina ye factor. Nana say social media menfoaso ensemfo no mudi maami yo wa glowy gift ya fanyi daz na hu ne pictures ne ma pictures on the buy say maami yo kro bompa ye ne ma so Ghana for saa de ni nyana no mo hwe it may not be a proper way to look at it ba ya man yi mu no say wo sum nyame asori a wo kọ eku a wo dom ni nyina ye important and na even Kenwe so we quest as election or say me call Prempe College me confante pem ye benkum for na say na the president to Kenwe na Legon ye ntani bi since Augustine for na decide for na need so your associations is very important ehun here and then Prempe come catch we president akọ Prempe College atimota for do terms any ade Ghana no so this speaker of parliament ade so kwa Accra academy ni nyina ye niam na important na another thing is say Adutwum yo bi anana wa man script na didi gira ngo se won kasa nana uni fierce bia ena na Adutwum so yo bi a wa bobra ansa no be politician nana ade ba ko kan ya be 4 years ago di to me trim ni say we a young person na be so ye politics enye politics na be peace ka bobra ansa na why politics because party ni ntewo from entra ngo da bia nana say US aban born abaso she tata schools are creative or Los Angeles, California ni ade etimi be schools some education some wo US kon kan no US Parliament abona baso nana sebe US omo magimi fu abaso a serious country the chance papa no onim bi and no kire se oye full proof but nana the current MPP no krofo bi se no omo mpewom samu nana hen krofo bi current MPP fu I nearly said something but me wo fa beka say bi amamenko banana oshe the makeup of the MPP. The MPP for ayi. Nyomu ye nana first pa no. Na ye kasa MPP ye krachefo. Na impression is say MPP is a MPP ni you are the intelligentsia. As wakusuku Professor Dubois. NDC for na ebugabuga for. NDC for nkosuku be na ye to about 2024 university campus na way. Kotia Fanyoma can interview ye no joy or say the NDC has branded and the party is attractive. active. Dr. Frank Amwakwene. Nana oko school. Asafueje oye no law. Ayi unua ayi Abbas. So she oye lawyer. Atu forcing doctor. Don't jina po so no so ye ne doctor wie. Say na school na wo kan o makobi. Economic theory na kan o kabi. You know, Schrödinger equation o tiase. It's analysis aye no betima ye bi. So it is not foolproof. Nana, I'm called NDC lectures at the University of Ghana.
It's NDC accredited for crowd doors.
Nana, Dr. Christopher, who know your constituency chairman of Fijako Abresa, P2 PhD, so NDC in constituency chair, a constituency on per regional. So Nana tells you that the intelligence of the NDC also show more. It's MPP here will be an obetmenya middle class that my woman. Adutwum here. Nana, me for me. The MPP should consider him for a running mate.
Okay.
They should make him step down. Nana Makase, so far there, me share my numbers in BBA, Bawumia about 51-52%. Partner no with Adutwum. Because Nananim, Bawumia,
but why now? Some year, Etimia declare na say Dr. Bawumia did not show that leadership.
Yes.
Because why should you even wait when you had the opportunity? Because time Adutwum yetete ye no ache nti also were intelligence, and I am aware that Dr. Bawumia is aware that say Adutwum nso pese unity based on inkomobi akoso. So I am surprised to say one show leadership anka say minia support me na me yesi
nana ye na poda ansa na mkachiro mekachiro say me nkoma amadidie no enya Bawumia choice no manka no we did analysis here. People insulted us. Nana, really, what did Napo contribute to the campaign? Really? Nana, nenta make Adutwum, nenta why say ne say. Obeso chere say, me ame ba o. Se mu me sin change ya mama me say. Officially, that will become the party position because Nana see, if the MPP are not able to manage this presidential election carefully, na man 40 omo ho a. Nana Alan didn't have the base Kennedy has. Mr. Kennedy, or the less than 4 months, and you're 30-something% in MPP. Yes, MPP and Yansa for name at Wabao. The creme de la creme. All my true on position or constitution, Kennedy at 30%, not for more for better. And I'm here when you're JFK or some possible BBM on July conference. Yeah, a phone for Nibenya Bebraco. A phone for no sooner Kennedy come as a Mawo. So you need to close ranks. Nana, to me, the best person to be the running mate, because me analysis they say Bawumia seem to lead now. Papa way. Because next make us middle class no support to MPP no. No musikashi domestic debt change no. Na net you. And two obi or no more be kasa enye moja show. Ko tie na po interview no ye o TV3 debt change no. So some crime sika ka ho. And two obi no be kasa akoma bi beto yam. Nana what you say? Na say no mo buofu say teacher for mo 30-something% o ma anye. Mama bo mo 10% o ma je. Di ntia. Nana what's the difference? One government less than 6 months ago o mo 30 o mo comes on bufu yi. Baba mi bai o mo 10 o mo je. Nana want to conversation organ di ntia. Nipa no lead the negotiation no. It's nana sometimes ye buofu de be nipa no so o ba no. Are important. Nana me can't say. And Adutwum has that. Nana, how many times once Adutwum interview? Me go social media a lot. We send this in Ibia. Nana also so mu dinatem. Or when you nyam bi won ho. Or charisma bia. Nana as a unya nana mama bro bia penasem. Yes, Gen for no kind of aura. Or sad de no one who you cannot disrespect. Nya wo ye na bia nya o. E bia na nya adwe ne wo kanu. But wo say buo ni won ho.
Because one kasa basa na
exactly. Or was no heavily respected across the political divide, and that's a massive strength. Nana Osaya Shanti regional MP. Baby a party ni training through man, the base of the party no odi MP wa. Nana wo engineers asem. You see? Nana de bia make us metiano man for Eugene we are dancing and now we frame US. Musam the open disclosure. No so man ti we family data send them 1,000 Ghana. Minim ne da. Nana didn't know better menka. Ebi ko kojo janto am opportunity wa. Ana me buy no so my yard. Nana tio. So it is the opportunity Jantua gave me, and me hard work so am so me dia ka ho and obi be hu aka se ne me ye ne fe na to train 100 engineers for constituency ne what it means abedu baby no bosom twe busua bi wo wa kwa engineer bi wo ma o trezi ni engineer no obeye no to Adutwum
yeah
and nana say unim what's the education as here always in life it takes one person to break the poverty cycle of a family. Sa akra ni we engineer na no konye juka na 2000 na etie ne se ka ne maami dwomu a wokọ okotete no diska brɛ no e se ne maami brɛ so bɛte kakra na maami betime 200 bia ne bande bɛ so o ma agiwe to bibidi ma agiwe it's what the family ne brɛ so ɛna na oye 3 term MP 3 term go afa no wa start
yeah
ye ni MP bi o matena several years ɛna na ni school once I'm producing la for my school debate.
Yeah.
And no qualify as Adutwum. Was I critic STEM school and I'm told confident because I know I'm meeting be more bone them some testing komobi. Na na kota on my yen special for bosom chofo na as a KNWC. Ufra yi bia sana ni mfuni bi na akwa na special kota bi wa ya the man of the cool school meboa.
Yeah.
That is education because na the greatest asset to be the man e school. You just say to am tell obi hwem oh yeah do am catch us me nya den sin o the only opportunities that maybe I understand is I can read and better appreciate it
yeah
but also I would say me there na say because you also have a semblance of education tana ade no ye oboso ntwe no even in the small constituency no it's massive nana Switzerland koko bia benes one wa tu kwa me nko Germany da nana koko bia benes Switzerland e nyansa no wo say wo meto koko na free wo 1 cedi me de beye million me sako me saba ko konkoma e 2 cedi beto ezo no nua koko no on fa fertilizer na on koto fertilizer on koto koko bottom as scandal grand sama yo bonu ni wo nyansa se wo de wo na wo ye tuntum ni wo wa beti ni wa beti susu tu de do koko san fertilizer guso do ho wo ti wi a me meto no 1 cedi I'm just saying. 1 cedi no me metam ni nyina san de ayemilo na me am asaba konkom ma ye konko be 20 be 50 pesos na edwa papa Switzerland nya close to 20 billion so ba Ghana yie bia na aye ne brofo ne the syndicated loan na say the syndicated ye che nyina ne say o koje besia say ma me besia na yie we me produce cocoa sei na me de abete besia
right.
So knowledge is important. Banana, papa no media menya as a brand ya mekan no. Business acumen ni ade papa we nso was ade ni bi. Na obi akọ US from Jache Pram so. Akọ Kumasi High School.
Ni papa ni koko no mutu. School kroman ko.
Abedu say very successful. Na media menya MPP fo na kan no ye nya bi. Menya delegate. Na oye fine material. Na no ye fine na Adutwum di 60
Debbie na just have no ko ana
oye fine material na my last commentary so nipo omo hye na chi no na no munye ne se ya e mo fe ne ho magigade mu nkotenetena fom ne ye bia
na Adutwum no onye o
na se ya onya na yi se no na ne twi no okae no musa me am ka some percentage on Saturday me no obeye me transcribe ya ma mo the English version no ne ya picking a word for word for word for word. And now you see the man for years. Me mentor about when people. But me dream say, omu consider na based on baby am analysis amaya manya ebeboa. Na sa nkrofo bi say no. Ye mo awom. No mutimi nkom anim. But na I doubt. Say MPP say na ye. Nkrofo bi so me mo chance. That will be my submission.
Kofi a quick one after enko so.
Yeah no. Emi say Eugene